Hey, how you doing today, folks? This is Anthony.Fuller, Ant-Man-Fuller. Today we're going to be talking about the 154BH by Jayco. This one of the things you're going to like is it has a front window. Let a lot of light inside. Comes with the 7-gallon propane tank. Come around here. You have a spot for the batteries right there. Cool thing about this one, it is a Baja. So what the Baja means is that it's lifted a little bit higher than all the rest of them, so you can get that clearance. This trailer also has a heated underbelly, has a power awning with speakers are locked on the inside of those of the awnings. So if you come inside, so on a 14-foot trailer, you're probably like, how could you get bunks in there? Well, this turns into a main bed, or you can have it up for dinner. 2 closets. Comes with the portable AC. The best thing about this AC, if something goes wrong, it's easily replaced. More cabinets. Has a little fridge right here. Nice size fridge with a little freezer at the top for ice cream. You get a 2-burner stove and microwave, and you have a hood. Then you have, I call it a little pantry if you want to put your groceries in there. Then if you come over here, you have the restroom. And here are the bunks. So you have 2 nice bunks right here. There's light right here. There's a light right in here. Plug in on the bottom. So yeah, this is a great small trailer for anyone with a smaller truck or V6. Give me a call and ask about the weight. My name is Anthony the Ant-Man Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thanks.